Imagine a new feature request comes in. The team still needs to understand the requirement, see how it fits into the existing system, plan the work, build it, test it, review the code, update documentation, and prepare it for release. With an AI-enabled software development lifecycle, agents can take on much of that execution, while engineers stay involved throughout the process. Thinking Machines designs this as an engineering system: clear requirements, specialized agents, defined boundaries, and human review at the decisions that matter. The process starts with the feature specification. The team defines the business objective, requirements, constraints, dependencies, and acceptance criteria. An AI agent then reviews that specification using the engineering practices the company wants it to follow. It can spot an unclear assumption, identify missing edge cases, or suggest acceptance criteria before those gaps reach development. Once the requirement is ready, an AI tech lead analyzes it together with the existing codebase. It identifies which parts of the system need to change, maps dependencies, and prepares an implementation plan. An engineer reviews that plan and adjusts it where needed. In this example, the team is adding weather information to a vessel planning application. The planner agent helps generate and execute weather simulations, making it possible to quickly validate how the system would respond to heavy rains or strong winds before release. This saves developers time manually configuring edge case scenarios. Once plans are approved, the implementation plan becomes an execution graph. The AI tech lead delegates work across multiple specialized development agents. One agent is responsible for back-end implementation. Another focuses on user interface development. A third generates automated tests. Multiple streams of work now progress simultaneously. Testing and review happen as part of development. Agents can generate tests, inspect the implementation, update documentation, and help engineers simulate edge cases. If validation surfaces a problem, the issue goes back into the development loop before release. When the feature is ready, the system prepares the pull request and supporting documentation. This allows teams to increase the amount of work AI can handle without giving up the production software controls. Approvals are then collected through the team's existing review workflow before the feature becomes eligible for deployment. Zooming out, each agent has a defined role within the development lifecycle. The engineering organization sets the boundaries they work within. People define the feature parameters and decide what the agents are allowed to change. Technical leaders establish architecture rules, teams set workload limits, security controls, validation gates, and approval requirements. They also define where an agent can continue independently and where human review is required. Human judgment therefore stays present across the lifecycle, while agents take on more of the analysis, coordination, implementation, and quality work. That operating model is what allows AI-assisted development to move beyond individual coding tools and work as part of an enterprise SDLC. In focused 4-week design and build sessions, we work with the client's product, engineering, security, and technology leaders to translate the way their organization develops software into an agent-based workflow. Across our work, AI-enabled delivery has helped teams move from requirements to production-ready outcomes 30 to 50% faster, while maintaining the engineering quality and controls expected in enterprise environments. The improvement comes from compressing the work around development, stronger specifications, faster planning, parallel execution, earlier testing, and less coordination overhead. At Finma Education, the team saved 20 man-days of additional effort, keeping delivery efficient even as the underlying data requirements evolved. For Talentism, a project originally estimated at 20 weeks was delivered in 14 weeks, a 30% reduction in delivery time with a lean team. At ICTSI, major feature and infrastructure work estimated at more than 20 weeks was delivered in 11 weeks, cutting the expected timeline by roughly 45%. That is what Thinking Machines brings into the AI SDLC. Agents designed around the way your engineering organization already works, with people setting the boundaries and making the decisions that matter. The result is a development workflow that can move faster, handle change more effectively, and give engineering teams more capacity for the work that needs their judgment. AI-enabled SDLC program. Ship production-ready software faster, with quality and control built in.